Here's the Nissan Qashqai. The bulbs are over there. The way to access it, we have to open up the hatch. And now there's no way to access the bulb from inside. We have to get the light out. This light is held in place by two bolts, 10mm. You'll need a socket ratchet combination for that, 10mm. And you'll also need a duct tape to get the light out of the body. Let's go ahead and twist his left and get this one bolt off. And let's get the second bolt off. Now grab the light and try rocking it a little bit here and there, just to sort of loosen it up. That is good. Now let's go ahead and get the duct tape, peel one big section off and put it on the light the way I'm showing, and leave a little bit at the very end just undone so you can grab onto it. Use it like a handle to yank the light off. Get one more layer on it. That's good. And now we need to pull it out straight towards the back of the car and yank it off, and off it comes. Now that cutout goes on the clip there, one pin goes there, the second pin, it goes in that hole right over there. Yep, that's a rear parking light. Just grab it and twist it left to loosen it, and out it comes. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. The bulb size is 194. Check the link in description or the top right corner to get the link to buy it from Amazon. Get the new bulb and push it back in. Now when you put the bulb holder back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in. So be patient with it. It's going to take a few seconds. Once it drops in like that, that's good. Now just twist it right to lock it in place and you are done. See that cutout? Need to focus on that when you're putting it on the body. Just line up the light the way I'm showing. Just focus on that cutout in the front. It needs to go on that clip. When it goes on properly, the light shouldn't be sticking out. It should be flush with the body. That is looking good. If it's sticking out, just pull it back a little bit and then line it up properly. Just give it a push. Put those two bolts back in. Just hand tighten them down for now. And then we will tighten it down with the socket ratchet combination. Once you're done with that, you can just peel this duct tape off the way I'm showing, and it should come right out without leaving any residue. And that's it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.